For this problem, our goal is to write an equation of the teal function, which is a transformed function of the parent function sine. The first thing that I recommend doing when you're trying to write the equation is to identify where this central axis is. And so I'm going to look at a lowest point and a highest point, and I can see that the overall distance is 6. So I'm going to draw this sinusoidal axis right in the middle, which is 3 away from the highest and lowest point. What this shows me is that the amplitude is 3, and so that would be a vertical dilation of magnitude 3. I can also see that my original axis, which was the x-axis, was shifted up 4 units. And so that's a vertical translation up 4. The last thing that we notice is that something happened horizontally. And so I know that it's not a shift because this middle point that was starting on the y-axis still is on our transformed function. So that tells me that it was a horizontal dilation. We took the normal cycle size of 360 and we made it smaller. So now I'm going to track to see what my new period size is. So this is 1 full cycle, and I can see that it ends after 30, 60, 90, 120. And so for my horizontal dilation, my new period is 120 over the old, which is 360. And we can reduce this to see that my horizontal dilation was a magnitude of 1/3. We made it a third of the original size. So now to write the equation, we will have our new equation we can call g of x. We have a vertical dilation of 3 that will be multiplied on the outside. My parent function is sine. For now, you can use either x or theta. I won't be picky with that until we get into later chapters. My horizontal dilation is 1/3. So remember, you put in the reciprocal. I'll go ahead and use an x. And then my vertical translation, that goes on the outside, so I'll end those parentheses, plus 4. I appreciate you watching the videos and trying to study for your test. So if you draw a Christmas tree on your next test, I will give you an extra point.